Assume a left bow stance. Left foot forward, right foot back. Center your weight between your legs. Press both palms on the sides of the post, tiger's mouths facing. Strike with the inner or outer edge of your palms. Take 3 preparatory breaths before striking. Inhale and sigh 3 times. Strike low 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Slap mid-level 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Lightly slap low 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Take 3 closing breaths. After breathing, stand up. Switch to a right bow stance. Continuous hand clapping. Step out with your right foot into a right bow stance. Keep your weight centered. Place both palms on the sides of the post. Take 3 preparatory breaths. Low level 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Mid level 3 times. 1, 2, 3. High level 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Return to low level. 1, 2, 3. Stop and take 3 closing breaths. Stand up. Focus the force on the edge of the palm. Perform 3 breath cycles before striking. Inhale through the nose and sigh 3 times.